Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites: a secure blade unit, dry hands, and a grounded outlet. Plug in, but don't start full speed. Place ingredients into a tall container and add 10–20% liquid relative to solids to promote circulation. You push the immersion blender down slowly while running at low RPM so air pockets don't form. This prevents cavitation and splashing. Once you feel steady suction, you can increase speed gradually to build emulsification and texture without overheating the motor. Now you refine control. Employ short pulse bursts to break large pieces, then sweep in slow, overlapping strokes to homogenize. Keep the shaft angled and travel from bottom to top so unprocessed material feeds into the blade. This yields uniform particle size. If making hot soups, pause to check temperature. Stop blending if the motor overheats or the liquid hits 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, then allow rest. Use a whisk attachment for foamy emulsions once the base is nearly uniform. To finish, power down and lift the blender straight up to prevent drips. Pour contents from the container and scrape with a spatula, then rinse the blade assembly under warm water and run briefly in soapy water to dislodge residue. Disassemble and hand-dry gaskets to prevent mold. If performance falters, humming, slow spin, or grinding, unplug and inspect for lodged debris or a bent blade. One key troubleshooting tip: let the motor cool 10 to 15 minutes and test again. Persistent issues mean service or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.